What you doing, buddy? Oh, you're dirty. Hello. How many times can that pool be watered? And the reason they're not out in the bigger part of the park is because Mr. Bug insists on running opposite end of the park from wherever Moose goes, and there was a huge Airedale that kept following both of them around. No, we decided to come in here.